I don't even know what we had in the vlog, but we still outside. We done popped back outside. Yesterday, well, this is another day. Yesterday we went to the little, y'all see that boy Gorilla pulling up. SRT8. Stupid clap on that bit. But yesterday, we popped out to the pop-up shop. That was lit. Today, we got a little car meet we gonna pull up at. Y'all see we got the gang outside, so we hang outside. It's your boy Pablo, you understand? I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just mumbling right now, twin. But, man, we've been in the house all day, so I was like, I'm gonna just slide, bro. Because I wasn't doing nothing else. It was chilling, really, but y'all see the gang. Little lineup pressure. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see my boy J-Dub. He ain't got that shit on right now. He look
real bummy and shit, man. I wasn't really anticipating doing shit today. Popped out last minute. It all happens, but I still come. You know, I keep the Nike on. But hey, what the nigga say? Just do it. Just do it.
Hey, y'all see Daytona, y'all see gang. They been here running. I know he got that bit running. Y'all see J-Dub up there. Y'all can see his lights better now, so let's go check out his lights. It's getting dark, so he gonna be on that pressure. Got that pressure going. Oh, y'all with Key, ain't glad? See the pressure test?
Yeah, that's decent.
They gotta be petty. Y'all see it though. They bit hard. 5%. I don't know. I might get that steering wheel. I just don't know if I want to pay $850 though. Oh. Tight shit. Hey man, make sure y'all follow brothers. Get fast life easy. You feel me? Bit pressure. But yeah, we about to pull up to this little car meet thing, vibe out with the gang. I don't know who else popping out, but it is what it is. We just chilling. And I think we got we might hit a little party tonight, man. I want to hang out, you know, it's the weekend. I ain't got shit to do. I'm out of work, you feel me? So we just go pull up, sip up, turn up. You get me? You feel me? So that's what it is, man. Stay tuned. Definitely getting kicked out, right? We just got here! Oh man. This nigga Jalen, bruh. Why you ain't waiting? We was leaving to do that shit.
That nigga know we here.
What we finna do now? Cause they definitely finna come boot out.
That's what the fuck it smells. It smells good. Shit smells good.
Look at him looking around. Don't get scared now, motherfucker.
Yeah, that was you, nigga.
Don't get fucking scared.
I be doing small little burnout. That long.
He talking about small little burnout. Bitch, they finna smell that over there.
Hey,
this guy here, man.
I think, yeah.
See this motherfucker?
You heard me? When you say, oh, he just got them? I never did that before that long. That's why they look like that.
Finna get us booted. It's gonna be his fault.
Hey, I had just slid that bit earlier, but you know, that was a little something, a little taste. So when I come back, I'm gonna be on hella bullshit. Right now, I'm just tip for tag. We're doing stuff small. So, doing Hellcat.
Look,
That's the same rules racing.
made the whole crowd run over here. What? They ready now, man. This guy here.
You be still out your shit. I be seeing you throw your shit in circles.
Yeah.
You gotta get some of that to going. I want to see. I'm trying to see some more of that. You know, I ain't never seen you do that before.
Let's go to the warehouse.
Oh, alright. Hey, what they say? Where the fuck is Vic at when you need him? You know what I'm saying?
Alright, gang, we done made it out here to the little car meet, bro. This shit here straight. What's that, a cat? That's a cat. Let's go look at that.
That's a cat. That's a cat.
That's a cat. You feel me? It's a lot of people out there, bit. We finna go see what the, oh, I like that rap. Sheesh. Supercharge my motor. Stop playing with that boy. Oh, that bit feel funny. It feel like a
Oh yeah.
It feel,
Yeah.
what kind of texture that is?
That's not pearlescent. That's
Everybody just texting these people.
Sit right there like this motherfucker.
He probably sitting in that.
Hey,
Satin. That's what it is. Satin.
sad. Oh shit.
Get that
Oh,
shit in.
wait a minute. Hold on. My shit is in the car. Y'all see it's a lot of people out there. Oh, he running shit, maybe. That's a cat? That's a cat. Oh, that's one cuz. I seen him before. He done had this shit a while.
Who got the fastest bike over here? Me. I don't own a bike.
This is a bike meet?
It's that camera. They line for the camera. Nigga just told me he sat there and lied about a damn bike.
These pants was a bad idea. I ain't gonna lie.
That's a cat.
Where? Yeah. Yeah, and they in that bit. I like that. Ooh.
That's hard. That's a cat.
Like that. There's a lot of them outside today, ain't there?
Who got the fastest bike over here? Nobody? All stop?
They're all stock.
Got you.
All stock.
You ask that guy right there.
Who, him?
The green helmet.
Green helmet? Like this kid,
They weird, bro. It's a weird energy, bro. What the fuck? I don't get it. This is weird, bro.
Over there.
Look.
Ask that guy. Nigga, man, it's like I want to, let me have all the gas inside your bike. Like, what the fuck? Who got the fastest bike?
I don't be giving people vibes, bro. It's like, relax, bro.
Wow, come to these meets, nigga.
Yo. Green, crazy. Carbon fiber on that bit? Stop, man. Yeah, that's hard. I like that. That's like an ACR hood, right? That's what they call it? The Viper hood. It's doo-doo green.
Yeah, you're right.
green.
You're right. Bro, you know what the green shot is. Yeah, that's yellow.
It's this motherfucking C8 though. They be hard. They be here tough. With the yeah. What's going on, Twin? You good? Shit, it's a shit show.
You know, I just got on that Mopar. You know, I just into the Mopar with on viral moments though.
Tight shit.
Yeah, we already seen this shit, remember that?
Yeah, at the one thing. But I ain't really look at that bit. That bit hard. Why your car so loud? Tweaking. chilling? How the job hunt going?
It's hard. I worked with Chase.
Okay, you did that for a little bit? Oh, you was with Chase, that's where let you go? Okay. Yeah, the selling shit. Okay. Hell yeah.
Maybe had me in like West Side, but no one qualified. They complained.
Oh.
I just